Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore the benefits of an ISO certification. So what is an ISO certification? At its core, an ISO certification is a mark of excellence. ISO, or International Organization for Standardization, sets the benchmark for quality, safety, and efficiency across industries. Think of it as a global gold standard that signals your commitment to meeting and maintaining these higher standards. Importance of getting an ISO certification. Obtaining an ISO certification is like unlocking a realm of opportunities. It's your ticket to the big leagues, demonstrating your dedication to industry, best practices, and customer satisfaction. ISO certification isn't just about compliance, it's about standing out as a leader in your field. Benefits of getting an ISO certification. Now, let's explore the enticing rewards that come with an ISO certification. Enhanced credibility. An ISO certification lends your instant credibility. Clients, partners, and investors recognize your commitment to quality. Global recognition. ISO standards are recognized worldwide. A certification opens doors to international markets and collaborations. Streamlined processes. ISO frameworks streamline your processes, minimizing waste and inefficiencies. This boosts productivity and saves costs. Customer trust. ISO certification builds customer trust. It assures them that you are dedicated to providing reliable, consistent products or services. Risk management. ISO guidelines include risk management. You will be prepared to tackle challenges effectively, enhancing resilience. How to get an ISO certification? Obtaining an ISO certification involves a structured process. You will need to identify the relevant ISO standard for your industry. Implement the required practices, undergo audits, and demonstrate compliance. Collaborating with experts can simplify this journey. Conclusion. In conclusion, an ISO certification isn't just a piece of paper. It's a statement of your dedication to excellence, reliability, and continuous improvement. It's the language of success in the modern business landscape. Thank you for joining us on this ISO certification voyage. If you find this information valuable, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel for more interesting content.